Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change currency on Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, just open your Phantom Wallet. And after that, just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged into your Phantom Wallet account, just simply click on the swap icon from the home screen itself. So changing the currency in your Phantom Wallet, or any other wallet that you are using for exchange of cryptocurrency or any other thing, you just have to swap the currency within the wallet using the swap option. Because changing currency means swapping the currency within the wallet or the application that you are using. But before swapping the currency, you need to make sure that you have some amount of balance, because you need to have some balance in order to swap the currency within the app or within the wallet. And once you have some balance, just simply click on the swap option from there. As you can see that I don't have any balance in my Phantom Wallet as of now, because my account is brand new, and I haven't had any amount of money in my Phantom Wallet as of now. But if you have it, just simply click on swap option from there. And after that you will be able to see the swap token that is available. Just simply click on the drop-down menu here. And after that just simply search for the token or the currency that you would want to swap. As you can see that the Solana has already been selected. And after that, just simply mention the price of the token that you would want to swap within the wallet. And after that, you just have to select the token in which you want to convert this Solana wallet and change the currency within the wallet. Just simply select one. And after that, you can see that how much money you have to pay for in order to change and swap the currency. And once you review all the details and you see everything is fine, just simply click on Review Order. And after that, just simply click on Swap. And this way your currency will be changed. So that's basically how you can change currency on Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.